Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing page number, discussing the topic globetrotting. Okay, so that was from page number 14 and 15. Okay, and in today's session we are going to start with the next topic from that is given at page number 16, that is lights camera action. Okay, so this is the next topic that is we are going to start in our today's session. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 16, that is lights camera action. Okay, so I am just writing the topic here, that is lights camera action. Okay, so this is the next topic that we are going to discuss today, and this is given at page number 16. Lights camera action. This is the topic that we will discuss in the today's session. Okay, so here the question is, what comes to your mind when you think about film stars, right? But along with the stars, many of the people work hard to make a film. Let us meet some of them. Okay, so class, you must have heard. Okay, so देखिए जब हमने lights camera action, so when you heard about these three words, that is lights camera action, so what comes in your mind? Okay, so the thing that come in your mind will be that ये हम किसके बारे में बात करें? We are talking about the movies, we are talking about the films. ओके तो हम अगर फिल्म्स और मूवीज़ की बात करते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में क्या आएगा अबाउट द फिल्म स्टार, स्पेशली योर फेवरेट फिल्म स्टार. ओके, तो जब भी हम लाइट्स कैमरा एक्शन की बात करेंगे तो आपका जो फेवरेट फिल्म स्टार है उसकी इमेज आपके सामने आएगी. ओके, दैट जनरली हैपन्स, बट you know, other than the film star, okay, while making a movie or while making a film, there are lots of other people whose uncountable efforts are there to make the film for the success of the film. Okay, तो फिल्म स्टार्स के अलावा भी बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनका बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क इन्वॉल्व होता है. Okay, they do a lot of hard work for the success of the film, so they can produce a very good film that must be and that should be liked by the audience. तो audience के लिए बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. Okay, so in this we are going to talk about some other persons who are involved while making of a movie or a film other than the film stars. Okay, so the first one is stunt people. The first we are going to talk about is stunt people. Okay, so the name itself suggests stunt people. तो stunt people के बारे में जब हम बात करें, so it is explaining about the people who performs difficult stunts. तो if you अगर आपने कभी कोई एक्शन मूवी पसंद देखी है या और if you like action movie, तो आपने देखा होगा उसमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग जो स्टंट्स है, डिफिकल्ट स्टंट्स किए जाते हैं बाय द एक्टर्स. ओके, बट एक्चुअली इट इज़ नॉट डन बाय द एक्टर्स. देखिए सम ऑफ देम आर डन बाय द एक्टर्स, बट मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट और द लाइफ रिस्किंग स्टंट्स आर डन बाय द प्रोफेशनल स्टंट पीपल. ओके, तो आपने अपनी मूवी में देखा है कि देखते हो मूवी में कि बहुत से डिफिकल्ट लेवल बिल्डिंग से छलांग लगाना, मतलब हेलीकॉप्टर से छलांग लगाना, डिफरेंट स्टंट्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन. तो आपने देख लिया कि वाओ नाउ ऋतिक रोशन इज जंपिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी हाई ब्रिज इज द रिवर, बट एक्चुअली इट इज डन बाय द सम ऑफ द प्रोफेशनली ट्रेन्ड स्टंट पीपल. तो स्टंट देखिए ये नहीं है कि स्टंट लोगों की मतलब जान होती है एंड दे डोंट डाई. ओके, बट एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस दैट दीज स्टंट पीपल दे आर प्रोफेशनली ट्रेन्ड to do these kinds of stunt. तो वो इस तरह के स्टंट करने के लिए they are professionally trained. They know the tactics, they know the method that how they should perform these difficult or life risking stunts so that they didn't harm their body or they didn't harm them. उनको किसी भी तरह का लाइफ रिस्क ना हो, तो उनको पता है कि उनको अपनी बॉडी को कैसे मूव करना है सो दैट उस स्टंट को परफॉर्म करते हुए दे डोंट बी अनसेफ इन एनी कंडीशन. Okay, so these difficult stunts, all these difficult stunts are being performed by the stunt people. Okay, so next time whenever you watch a movie, just make sure just read the name of the stunt people. Okay, तो जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी भी कोई भी मूवी देखोगे तो आप देखना वहाँ पे स्टंट मैन और स्टंट्स परफॉर्म बाय ऐसा लिखा हुआ आता है, तो वहाँ नीचे नेम्स लिखे हुए आते हैं. ओके, तो देखिए जब आपने देखते हो कभी मूवी जब खत्म होती है तो लास्ट में बहुत सारे नेम्स लिखे हुए आते हैं, तो वो क्या होते हैं? सो दोज आर द नेम्स ऑफ द डिफरेंट पीपल दोज हु आर इन्वॉल्व वाइल फिल्मिंग और वाइल शूटिंग दैट मूवी. तो जिनका हार्डवर्क उस मूवी की सक्सेस में इन्वॉल्व होता है. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक दैम stunt people is also one of the very important person. Okay, he or she performs the difficult stunt, or you can say that they substitute our actors during while performing the difficult stunts. जब बहुत डिफिकल्ट स्टंट्स होते हैं तो दीज स्टंट पीपल दे सब्स्टिट्यूट आर एक्टर्स, जो हमारे एक्टर्स हैं उनको सब्स्टिट्यूट एक्ट करते हैं. ओके, उनकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वैसे लिखती है दैट एक्चुअली दैट एक्टर इज परफॉर्मिंग, बट एक्चुअली दैट स्टंट इज बीइंग परफॉर्म बाय दिस प्रोफेशनली ट्रेन्ड स्टंट पीपल. ओके, सो हियर देखिए, the next time you watch a film, be sure to read the names of the people who made the film together in the end of the credits. Okay, so last में जो देखिए इस बुक में भी लिखा हुआ है कि लास्ट में जब नाम लिखे हुए आते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब whenever you watch a movie, kindly see the names of those people who perform those difficult stunts in that action movie. Okay, जब भी कोई एक्शन मूवी देखोगे स्पेशली उसमें जो स्टंट लोगों के नाम जरूर आते हैं. Okay, so these are stunt people. Second is the producer. Now we will talk about the producer. Okay, so he is one of the main person in a movie. So whenever a movie is being shoot, he is one of the very important personality. Okay, so let's read about him and then I'll explain it as well. The producer is in charge of raising the money for the film and managing it. Even before the script can be written, the production team must raise the money for the film. The producer also arranges for the film to be shown in the theaters around the world when it is complete. Okay, so now we are talking about the producers. अब हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Producers के बारे में. Okay, so the producer is the person in charge for raising the finance for the movie. Okay, so producer कौन है? He is the person in charge who is responsible for raising the finance for a movie. Suppose somebody wants to film a movie or somebody wants to make a movie. Okay, and you know हर काम के लिए you need a money, and especially for making a movie or a film you need a lot of money. So as we are talking about the producer he makes all the arrangements for the money. He makes arrangements for the movie. He makes arrangements of money for the movie. तो कोई भी मूवी शूट हो या कुछ भी हो, so all that thing they need a lot of money. तो देखिए हर चीज़ whether it's a prop, designers, sets, तो हर चीज़ के लिए they need money. Okay, अब वो मनी कहाँ से आएगा, पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? That will be given by this producer. Okay, and the function of or the work of the producer starts even before the starting of the movie. तो मूवी की शूटिंग शुरू होने से पहले ही जो प्रोड्यूसर का काम है जो वो शुरू हो जाता है. ओके, सो before the story of the movie is being written, the work of the producer starts. तो मूवी के शुरू होने से पहले, उसकी स्टोरी लिखने से पहले ही प्रोड्यूसर का जो काम है वो शुरू हो जाता है. ओके, बिकॉज ही नीड्स टू गिव मनी टू द स्टोरी राइटर, टू द स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, द डायलॉग राइटर टू राइट द डायलॉग, स्क्रिप्ट और स्टोरी फॉर द मूवी. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स हिज वर्क स्टार्ट्स इवन बिफोर वन थिंग्स अबाउट द मूवी. तो मूवी शुरू होने से पहले ही the work or the function of the producer starts. Okay, and after the completion of the movie, okay, once the movie is done, okay, all the shooting is done, so ये नहीं कि मूवी खत्म होते ही, इसकी शूटिंग खत्म होते ही the work of the producer ends. No. So after the completion of the movie, okay, there are still some work, important work that the producer has to do. That is, he must make arrangements for the theaters where that movie is going to be released. Okay, so he make various what we call it, he make various arrangements for booking the show, okay, for booking a show time for his movie. तो एक show time book करता है ताकि उसकी movie को वहाँ पे दिखाया जाए. ओके, सो दैट इज द प्रोड्यूसर. ओके, देखिए, सो व्हाट, देखिए, प्रोड्यूसर मतलब मूवी शुरू होने से पहले ही स्टार्ट अरेंजिंग द फंड्स. ओके, इवन आफ्टर द मूवी शूटिंग इज कंप्लीट, देन ही अरेंज फॉर द थिएटर्स, he arranges for the releases of his movie nationwide or the worldwide, whatever he thinks the movie should, wherever he thinks the movie should be released. Okay, so what did he get in return? Okay, so over all these important actions, for the time consuming actions, he get the maximum amount for the of the profit. Okay, so when a movie is being shot, okay, so the profit earned from the movie, okay, so the a very important movie like, okay, so the producer is the person in charge for raising the finance for the movie. Okay, so this is his producer. Moving next to the third one, that is the screenwriter. The third person who's also played a very important role while shooting of a movie is the screenwriter. He is screenwriter. Now, who is screenwriter? The screenwriter writes everything from the descriptions in the scenes to the dialogues. Okay, the creativity of the script writer makes the story of the film hold the interest of the audience. So now class, we are talking about the screenwriter. Okay, screenwriters कौन होता है बेटा? The screenwriter is the person in charge, okay, who writes the each and every detail of the scenes that are going to be shot in the movie. Okay, तो स्क्रीन राइटर कौन है? देखिए, वो हर जितनी भी सब चीज़ें हैं किसी भी मूवी में, ही जस्ट वी कॉल इट एज, वो सारी चीज़ों को लिखता है. देखिए, जैसे ही जस्ट राइट ईच एंड एवरी माइन्यूटली डिटेल ऑफ एवरी सीन. ओके, तो वो हर एक चीज़ की छोटी से छोटी, हर एक डायलॉग्स, एवरी सीन, what will be the background or backdrop, you can say, so of that particular scene. Okay, so that is the screenwriter. Okay, so screenwriter, देखिए, he writes everything for the descriptions of the scenes. So that means he also write the descriptions of the scene. Descriptions of the scene means like he writes the description like that, what will be the scene. Okay, suppose somebody wants to shoot a scene, okay, where should मतलब जहाँ पे somebody wants to shoot a horror scene, so that means they will take a place जहाँ पे जो scene होगा, okay, तो that वो जगह होगी जैसे कि अंधेरा होगा, okay, that can be of कोई पुरानी सी building होगी, okay, and there will be the light voice of like, मतलब आप देखोगे तो जो इफेक्ट्स वो डालते हैं, ओके, सो दैट पर्टिकुलर सीन लुक्स लाइक अ हॉरर मूवी. ओके, एक वो हॉरर मूवी का लुक देना चाहिए, हॉरर सीन का लुक देना चाहिए. ओके, सो बट all these scenes, all these descriptions are written by the script writer. Okay, so all these are written by the screenwriter, you can say, or the script writer. Okay, and he also writes the each and every dialogue. Okay, he also writes the each and every dialogue in the movie कि जितने भी dialogues हैं, okay, that defines that what kind of you can say कि what kind of script is being written, shown, कि मतलब वो कैसा show कर रहा है. So this all is done by the screenwriter only. Okay, okay, so now the important thing about is that the creativity of the screenwriter. Okay, जो screenwriter है उसकी creativity के ऊपर depend करता है that मूवी के जो लोगों का इंटरेस्ट है वो मूवी में कैसा आएगा. ओके, सपोज द स्क्रीन राइटर इज सो क्रिएटिव, ही हैज एक्सप्लेन द सीन सो वेल दैट द पीपल जस्ट एडमायर द मूवी, सो दैट मीन्स दे जस्ट गॉट इम्प्रेस्ड with his creativity. Okay, so creativity also signifies, कि जो creativity of the movie also signifies the जब मूवी की जो क्रिएटिविटी वो सिग्निफाई करती है दैट व्हाट इज द मतलब जो लोग हैं उसको पसंद करेंगे कि नहीं. ओके, एंड दिस क्रिएटिव वर्क इज डन बाय द स्क्रीन राइटर ओनली. सो यू कैन से ही इज द क्रिएटिव राइटर और ही इज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सनैलिटी हुज intellectuality also plays a very important role for the success of the movie. Okay, next is the fourth one. Now we will talk about the next person, and then he is the director. Okay, the captain of the ship. You can term him as the captain of the ship. Okay, so he is director. He is none other than he is director. Now who is director? The artistic leader of the team making the film is the director. The director makes all the decisions of the films, including the casting as well as how scenes should be shot. The director is usually the final authority on the matters related to the script. Now we are talking about the director. Now who is the director? Okay, so जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला director is the captain of the ship. So here the ship means the movie or the film की बात हम कर रहे हैं, and the director, okay, he is a totally responsible person, okay, who मतलब जो ही इज़ अ टोटल रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, वो एक पूरा रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन है कि जो कि उस पूरी मूवी के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ओके, सो ही कैन मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस वॉट एवर ही थिंक that it should be there. Okay, because he leads the whole team which is involved in that movie. उस मूवी को शूट करने में वो जितने भी लोग उसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं, he is there, the director is that person only. Okay, तो देखिए डायरेक्टर कौन है? he is the leader of the team making films. Okay, so he is the artistic leader of the team making the film. Okay, तो artistic leader है. Okay, so if he wants that there should be little bit change in the movie, in spite of a happy ending there should be little bit sad ending as well, so that people that जो मूवी की जो छाप है लोगों के मन पे रहे. ओके, इस other than that the director makes all the decision of the movie. The director also make all the decisions of the film. So he also makes all the decision of the film. So he always make the decisions as well. Okay, including the casting as well as how the scene should be shot. तो कास्टिंग से लेके और मूवी का जो सीन्स हैं कैसे शॉट होंगे. ओके, सपोज द स्क्रिप्ट राइटर ही हैज रिटन समथिंग एल्स बट द डायरेक्टर फील्स दैट देयर शुड बी लिटिल बिट चेंज इन द डायलॉग्स, देयर शुड बी लिटिल बिट चेंज इन द सीनरी ऑफ द मूवी और द सीन्स ऑफ द मूवी. तो ही कैन जस्ट मेक दैट. Okay, so he can make the changes, whatever changes he want that it should be there. So he can change the make the changes according to that as well. So he is director. He is the director. Okay, he is the leader of the team making the film. Okay, is the director. Okay, and the director makes all the decision of the film. So director also makes all the decisions. Okay, of the film. So he just take all the actions. Okay, regarding the making of the movie. Okay, the director is usually the final authority on the matters related to the script. Okay, so he has all the final authority related to the film. So he can make the changes, he can change the cast, he selects the cast as well. Okay, so all that, he is the one person who is solely responsible and who has sole authority to make any kind of changes in the movie. So he is none other than that is director. Clear? Next, the next is he is cinematographer. Okay, that a very important role that cinematographer plays while making of a movie. That is cinematographer. That is cinematographer. Now, who is cinematographer? So let's read about cinematographer. So cinematographer is also called the director of the photography. So the other name for this cinematographer is he is termed as the director of the photography. He is responsible for creating the overall look of the film, including the photography and the light effects. Okay, He is responsible for the creating the overall look of the film, including the photography and the light effects. The cinematographer of Mad Max, Fury Road, made the landscape seem like a world destroyed by the nuclear war. Okay, this played a big role in making the film successful. Okay, so देखिए, now we are talking about the cinematographer. He is, जैसे कि हमने बात की कि before this we talked about the director. He has the sole responsibility as well as the authority for the movie. So just like that, cinematographer is the director of photography. So all the angles of how a scene should be shot or how the photograph stills of the movie should be taken, all these decisions are made by the cinematographer. Okay, so he is solely responsible and he has authority also, so that that how he wants that particular movie should be shot. ओके, सो देखिए, नाउ एज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिनेमेटोग्राफर, जैसे कि हम सिनेमेटोग्राफर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो देखिए, दिस इज, यू कैन दिस इज जस्ट अ टैलेंट ऑफ द सिनेमेटोग्राफर दैट ही कैन मेक अ स्मॉल थिंग इनटू बिग. तो छोटी सी छोटी चीज को भी बड़ा करके वो दिखा सकता है. ओके, सो दैट इज सिनेमेटोग्राफर ओनली. So cinematographer is called the director of photography, that I have already told you. He is responsible for creating the overall look of the film. So he is also responsible for creating the overall. तो पूरी look को create करने का जो responsibility, that is also all in the cinematographer. ठीक है, तो he can make the look, मतलब वो उसका look ऐसा बना सकता है कि that a small, देखिए आपने कई बार देखा होगा मूवीज में कि इन सम ऑफ द मूवीज, इफ आई जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ वेरी पॉपुलर मूवी दैट इज 2012. ओके, सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन द मूवी द 2012 और द टाइटैनिक मूवी आपने देखी होगी. तो उसमें जब आपने सीन्स देखा कि इन द टाइटैनिक मूवी एज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, तो टाइटैनिक मूवी में यू हैव मस्ट हैव सीन द शिप, अ बिग शिप, टाइटैनिक शिप इज बीइंग सunk in that huge sea. तो टाइटैनिक जो जहाज है वो एक बड़े से समुद्र में डूबता हुआ, यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन द मूवी. बट डिड इट एक्चुअली हैपन एट दैट टाइम? क्या वो सच में टाइटैनिक जहाज लेके आए, उसको 2 टुकड़ों में तोड़ा एंड देन इट sank? नो, इट डजंट हैपन एक्चुअली. तो ये ऐसा नहीं हुआ. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल द टैलेंट ऑफ दैट सिनेमेटोग्राफर ओनली, कि उसने उस मूवी को ऐसे शूट किया दैट इट एक्चुअली लुक्ड लाइक दैट लाइक अ शिप इज ब्रोकन इनटू 2 pieces and now it is sinking into a huge sea. Okay, and the people are falling like just like the animals at the like the you can see like the leaves. Okay, तो लोग पत्तों की तरह झड़ते हुए, जैसे हम कहेंगे पत्तों की जैसे पेड़ से झड़ते हैं, तो ऐसे हमने इस मूवी में देखा है सीन कि लोग शिप से वैसे कूद रहे थे. तो अगर इफ यू रिमेंबर, okay, but actually it didn't happen. Okay, though the people that were real, okay, the actors were real, all the people those were who we see there, all those were real, but actually वो ऐसा नहीं था. This is all just the, you can say, the camera angle or the editor's work, देखिए, जिसकी वजह से वो सीन है वो ऐसा दिखाया गया. ओके, तो एक छोटी सी छोटी चीज को भी एक बड़ी चीज करके दिखा सकते हैं, या बड़ी सी चीज को छोटा करके दिखा सकते हैं. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द वेरी फेमस डायरेक्टर रोहित शेट्टी, तो आपने उसमें देखा होगा कि बड़ी बड़ी कार्स एंड वो उड़ाते हैं, मतलब ठीक है, तो बट क्या वो सच में इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कार गाड़ी उड़ाते हैं? नो. सो दे जस्ट टेक अ स्मॉल कार्स एंड उसको वो ऐसे दिखाते हैं कि मतलब this is just the shooting of the camera with the angle shooting of that particular scene is like that it actually look like कि हाँ सच में कार हवा में उड़ रही है and someone is hanging in the air, so this it just look like this. Okay, so this all work, okay, that is all that creativity that is being done by the photographer or the director of the photographer is the cinematographer. Okay, so cinematographer is also termed as the director of photography and he is responsible for creating the overall look of the film. Okay, and other than that, the landscape seems like a wonder destroyed by the nuclear war. Okay, तो लैंडस्केप्स ऐसे नज़र आते हैं कि जैसे किसी बहुत बड़ी जंग में ये खराब हो गए हों, all like this. Okay, and this all these scenes, there is creativity of the cinematographer. They also plays a very important role for the success of the movie. Sometimes some scenes they become the legends for the others. तो लोगों के लिए वो एक हमेशा कहते हैं ना याद रहने वाला एक सीन बन जाता है कि जो लोग काफ़ी टाइम तक भूल नहीं पाते. Okay, so that is all the talent of the cinematographer only. चलिए, now moving next to the next one, that is the film editor. Now we will talk about the next famous person who is involved in this. Now we'll talk about film editor. Now we will talk about the film editor. Now who is film editor? The film editor carefully selects the best shot, edits them, arranges them to create the scenes of the film. He works closely with the director, cinematographer and sound editor. It is the editor's job to give the film its final shape. So now we are talking about this, that is film editor. अब हम film editor की बात कर रहे हैं. He carefully selects the best shots. Okay? So क्या करते हैं ना, देखिए जब भी एक मूवी शूट होती है उसमें बहुत सारे जो सीन्स हैं उनको शूट किया जाता है at a different location. So that doesn't mean कि they just move along with the story. Suppose a scene in the beginning of the scene in the movie, the first some scenes are from a very hilly area or like a mountain place. The last scenes are from also mountain areas, but the middle of the story is from a very plain area or from a big city. So क्या करेंगे, क्या वो बार-बार they will just go some mountain place and then they'll come to plain and then again they go to that mountain place? No. Okay, so as before shooting, the script is already written. Okay, the dialogues are there. So what they do, they just take up, they just go at a place. Okay, suppose they just go. First of all, they just go some. मतलब अगर उनको कोई shooting hilly area में करनी है, तो they just go there and they do all the shooting of that hilly area. तो पूरी hilly area की पूरी shooting कर लेंगे. Then they come back and then whatever the place they have chosen for the other shooting of the other parts of the movie, they just shoot there only. Okay, they don't move again and again from here to there. So that means हर scene जो है अलग-अलग shoot होता है. Then it is the duty of the film editor to arrange all the scenes in such a manner or in a proper way so that जो movie का जो पूरा आप कहें कि एक तरह से पूरी movie explain कर रहे हैं. So it is just explaining the complete movie. Okay, so that is the work of the film editor. Okay, so he just edits all the film. Okay, and it is the editor's job to give film the final shape. So he not solely he just वो अकेले नहीं बैठता, he just take the help of the editor. Sorry, he just take the help of the director, the cinematographer, sound record जो sound director होते हैं उसकी, तो and the dubbing artist as well. So he just sits along with the various personalities, okay, from his that particular movie, and then they just edit the film so that they can give a final shape to the movie with the help of the other peoples as well. Okay, so this is film editor who makes all the editing in the scenes, in the that how this after which scene, कौन से scene के बाद कौन सा scene होगा, so that the clarity of the movie will be there and the suspense will be there. ये नहीं कि सस्पेंस पहले दिखा दी तो मूवी का कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. So all this editing is done by the film editor only. This is done by the film editor only. Clear? Next is makeup and the costume designer. The seventh is makeup and the costume designer. So these makeup artists or costume designers, they have the responsibility for all the makeups of the actors or the co-actors or you can say all the junior, मतलब whatever the personalities, those who are going to be shot in the movie, तो इनकी makeup artists and costume designers की responsibility होती है. So they just make the arrangements for the costume that are desired according to the movie or according to the role of the character of that particular person in that movie. तो उस character के हिसाब से, उस movie में उस person के character के हिसाब से they just provide them the proper costumes or they just make arrangements for the makeup as well, so that they just make arrangements for the makeup and the costume designer so that they are मतलब they are just look they are suitable to the environment. ओके, सपोज कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि एंशियंट ड्रामाज की शूटिंग, हिस्टोरिकल ड्रामाज की शूटिंग होते हैं. ओके, तो एट दैट टाइम द ड्रेसिंग सेंस वाज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द मॉडर्न टाइम. सो जो कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर्स होते हैं दे जस्ट गिव दो, मतलब दे जस्ट प्रिपेयर दोज काइंड्स ऑफ कॉस्ट्यूम सो दैट जब वो मूवी की शूटिंग हो या उस पर्टिकुलर ड्रामा की शूटिंग हो रही है तो वो उस टाइम से लगे कि मतलब दे बिलोंग टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पीरियड. ओके, एंड द मेकअप आर्टिस्ट दे डू देयर मेकअप लाइक दैट कि मतलब उनका मेकअप ऐसे करते हैं कि उनका एक्चुअल में जो दे जस्ट लुक लाइक कि मतलब उसी टाइम पीरियड के वो नजर आते हैं. Okay, so this whole responsibility of the is of the makeup artist and the costume designer. Okay, and some makeup artists क्या होते हैं, they are so professional and they are so talented कि मतलब they can convert a young into a old person and old person to young personality. Okay, so that is this their you can say मतलब उनका एक talent होता है. Okay, so these are the name of some famous personalities, those who are involved in making of a movies for the success of the movie. Okay, so this was our today's session, class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.